Ooh, let's also add some more of the mesquite wood. That one is actually, it's pretty cool. I can take that head. Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show. Carnivore recipes with meat, fish, seafood, eggs, gelatin, flavored seltzer, water and salt. From super easy to complicated, from quickly done to many hours in the kitchen. I always say everybody's body and brain are different, and you gotta figure out what works best for you. The carnivore lifestyle has tremendous benefits, healing effects, and is the best elimination diet. There are many different ways how to do carnivore. I found a way that momentarily works the best for me. In this cooking show, I'll show you it doesn't have to be boring and can be very creative, delicious, and fun. I already created so many carnivore recipes on Instagram at karnivorgirl. And I have this never-ending list on my phone with tons of ideas. My brain is a gift and a curse. Have fun with this episode! Welcome to my creative carnivore kitchen. Well, no, this is not my kitchen. I'm here in Verdi. I'm taking care of Yoshi, super cute dog, and I can live in this house here and barbecue, charcoal, wood, fire, yes. So this is a special, and today barbecue octopus. Not just barbecue, but I finished it off on the barbecue. Look how beautiful. Doesn't it look so good? So I'm at home and I didn't feel like bringing the tripod, so I'm holding the camera with my hand. Here is the whole octopus. I defrosted it. Oh, look how beautiful. So excited. And I washed it, and I've done that before for Instagram, and it turned out so good. So this first part, so I'm gonna do it the same way again. So ooh, gonna cover it in water using filtered water. So yeah, that's covered. Pressure lid, seal. Now, pressure high, 30 minutes. You don't want to overcook octopus, because then it gets tough again. And I think for that whole octopus, last time 30 minutes was perfect. So I hope this time too. Okay, so after the 30 minutes, I did a fast release. So I just turned this over. Now it's ready to open. Ooh. Nice and see. Ooh, look at that. Look at this. So now that the octopus won't lose its color, you should just leave it in here, or well, you can just close it like this and cool it off. Let it cool off in here. But I do need the Ninja Foodi again, so I'm actually gonna take it out, but I'm gonna cover it, I'm gonna put it somewhere else, gonna cover it, and I have another pot luckily, and then I can use the Ninja Foodi again. So I put the octopus and the juice in here, and I'm just gonna cover this, and I'm gonna take it to Verdi like that now. So ooh, what do I have in here? Something I actually really like. I call it Carnivore Punch, Octopus Punch, and I put it in the microwave because it wasn't that hot anymore. So so good. Well, right now it's summer here, but for wintertime, really great. So here, look, you remember I brought over the octopus in the liquid from the Ninja Foodi. So this, I just poured some of the liquid out, put a lot of salt in it, put it in the microwave to heat it up again. And now, broshed, have some punch. It's actually really good. I like it, but only with a lot of salt. So I already used the barbecue. You see, it's past its peak, but actually really good. Maybe even still too good. No, let's do that. So, Octopus still in here. So I didn't use any salt yet, so let's salt it. So I hope there's enough fat on it so it won't stick too much. I mean, it's totally cooked. I don't need to cook it anymore. I don't want it to get tough. I just want the flavor. Ooh, let's also add some more of the mesquite wood. That one is actually, it's pretty cool. I can take that head. So, get more flavor. It is sticking a little bit, but I think it should be okay. So, let's put a bit more wood in there. Yeah, now we're getting even a fire. We get some flames. And I want some smoke, so let's close this. So I just wanted to get that smoky, nice flavor. Okay, it does stick a bit, so I'm gonna put it on this. I should grease this up, so grease that up. I don't feel like it. I don't want to take the time, honestly. But it still will be... let me get that. So, let's turn it around. Oh yeah, look, we got some color here. So now I'm really just gonna put that octopus over here off the heat, and I just wanted to get more flavor, so smoke it a bit. Maybe I'm gonna add some more wood chips so we get some more smoke. Okay, let's try it. Ooh, I'm so excited. I think I'm just gonna clip off one of those tentacles. Let's bite it off. So, I'm super excited to try this. The sun is right there, so it's like, oh cool, like this, it's okay. Agüita. Oh, I'm pretty sure it needs a little bit more salt. I can already taste that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, honestly, I didn't expect it to be that good. As I mentioned, I've made whole octopus before in the Ninja Foodi, the exact same way I did today on Instagram at Carnivore Girl, and it was so good. I don't really like the baby octopus. They're really chewy, and well, I use them sometimes, but the big one done right is so good, like pressure cooked in the Ninja Foodi. So, and now, as you saw, I just put it on the grill just to get, well, yeah, it got some color. It did really grill it a little bit. Maybe, hey, this one here, well, let's try this. Not crunchy, but it got a bit like, but the flavor, the mesquite and the charcoal, and that's what I really wanted. I mean, after you cook it in the Ninja Foodi, you can eat it like that. It's so delicious. But of course, put it on the grill, not to cook it, just to give it a little bit that flavor. Oh man, a little bit, a lot. Oh, so good. Makes it even better. Total success. I'll try the head as well. Okay. kind of feel the head could be a bit... Oh! I don't know if you see it, but there's like water coming out when I press it. So maybe it's not completely dried out. Let's put some salt in it. Because here the top is quite dried out, yeah, from the fire in the grill. Oh wow. Oh, holy shit. I think it feels like, you see? Oh yeah, look. It turned it inside out. Huh. I thought, why is all the color gone on the head? But it turned it inside out. Here it is. So cool. So here's the black head. Hey, I really hope... I don't see shit because the sun is in my face. So I know you see like a lot of shadows. I hope you can see what I'm doing here. So yeah, this is that side. It was totally like this, and it turned it inside out. I just thought the skin came off, but it didn't. Here on this side we still have it. Oh hell yeah. So good. Servus! Thanks for watching. If you try out this recipe, please tag me and let me know how you like it. Subscribe, share, like, comment, follow me on Instagram @karnivorgirl. See you next week in my next episode of Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show.